First open Photoshop and take a new page. Then color it with black color. Then right click on type tool and select horizontal type tool. Then change the color to yellow. Write the word stretch. Then press OK. Press Ctrl plus T from keyboard to free transform. Then hold the corner and drag it. Then press OK. Then right click on text layer and select convert to shape. Then go to Photoshop tool and right click on this icon and select direct selection tool. Then select the lower portion by mouse up to that mark. Next, press the shift key from keyboard and press the down arrow key from keyboard to stretch it. Then hit enter.